Magandang araw mga pards. Check natin ngayon yung isang Toyota Hilux na nakasagi ng isang motorcycle. So bali complete left side yan. Magmula dito may gas-gas hanggang dito. Ayan yung pinaka police report niya. Kung titignan natin yung photos, eto mula dito, ayun, nagmula doon, makikita nyo yung gas-gas na yun hanggang doon. Saan ba yung ayun, may tama pa, may gas-gas pa dito. Ito yung pinakamalinaw na scratches niya, gas-gas mula doon papunta doon. Mapapansin nyo yung may lubog talaga yung ng gasolinahan dito. So puntahan natin yung actual na resulta ng pagkaka-repair. Nandito tayo sa denting and painting unit. Bali magpapakabit tayo ng capacity sticker kasi ni-repair yung buong kaliwa. So yung capacity sticker na yan nire-required kasi ng RTA yan o police. Kung ilan yung sakay, ilang ton empty at yung may sakay capacity niya dito. Yan, pininturahan kasi ng kompletong harap kaliwa yan. So kakailanganin natin ng capacity sticker dito. Pakabit tayo ng sticker. Ito yung dati nating opisina. Dito tayo nagpapakabit ng sticker. Diyan si Mr. Sudani. This is Mr. Noor, our mighty driver. This is Mr. Glenn also. Shakur. And what name? I forgot. Mr. Najim Mansouri. And this is Mr. Abdurrahman
from Jordan. Welcome.
Jordani or
Palestine.
No, two together. Mapi US,
No, Palestine and Jordan.
Mapi Israel.
But one passport.
You're welcome.
So, yan yung mga kaibigan natin dito. This will, how can I say that? Maybe after January 2024, I'll be missing these guys. Because they told me I have to retire January 2024.
Good.
But good. My mama,
Yeah.
96 years old.
Okay.
So I have to stay with her.
Good. Also, you are
Now, not so strong.
good. Yeah. Alhamdulillah.
But my mama is still walking.
Allah.
96 years old.
MashaAllah.
I want to stay and enjoy with her.
Good chance also for you.
Yeah. Good chance. I hope so.
Yeah.
So as I said, I will be missing these guys by 2024 if I'm lucky enough to go. This is Mystery Glenn. So yun. Mukhang bago na uli ito. Ito yung pinaka kanang portion. Ito yung ni-repair nila bandang kaliwa. Yun, no? Bagong bago kasi pininturahan ng buong harap. Magmula dito sa Tapalodo, pinalis na lang yung bumper. Etong Tapalodo na to. Tapos yan, pintuan na dalawa hanggang doon. Dati ano to nabingkong ito or lumubog. Tignan natin kung maganda ba yung pagkaka-repair niya. Ayos. Ganda rin ng pagkakakabit ng mga sticker. Wala siyang mga bubbles. So yan mga parts. Mukhang bago na naman yung pick up na to. Buong sides.